I seriously never thought that a cheap boom arm kit that you can buy for 20 or 30 bucks could ever be anywhere near this good. This thing is top notch. You can even hang your headphones on this thing. I will put an affiliate link in the video's description just in case you want to get one. But again, I'm not here to sell you something. I am here to review stuff. If you do want one, click the link. If not, hey, Innogear did send me this boom arm, but this is still going to be a 100% honest review. And I absolutely love this thing. Now, as you can see, it does come with this 14-inch boom extension, I think it is. So you can actually stand up and use this. You can put this so it goes over top of your monitor. This is a pretty cool deal. Or you can just clamp it on your desk and you don't have to use the extension if you don't want it. But if you do want the extension, it's theirs. At the time that I'm recording this video, this entire kit is $21 on Amazon. It comes with little clips to hold your wires. They just clamp on and they're removable. It comes with this headphone bracket that's clamp on and removable. It comes with this thing here, and it also comes with this. And when I opened the box, I was like, what the heck is this? But check this out. It's to hold your condenser microphones, and that thing is in there, man. I would any day of the week, man. I can shake the crap out of this. You really gotta pull, man. This thing is that's in there solid, but this is freaking cool. You can screw a microphone directly to it, or it does come with a little holder to, you know, hold a handheld microphone as well. We currently have an SM7B on this, and as we all know, that's a very heavy microphone, and a lot of boom arms really struggle to hold an SM7B. I don't even have the little thing tightened down. You can easily just move this freely, and I mean, it holds that SM7B like it's nothing. This thing just reeks of quality. This is a very high quality boom arm. It moves so smooth, it's unreal. Even the little things that you tighten, you know, the little tension screws feel like quality. This is far superior to any boom arm I have ever used that's cheap. But you're not going to get a better boom arm than this, in my opinion, unless you spend a bunch of money to buy a really high quality one. But even this, I mean, I could use this. I would be happy with this. If I had to use this every day and this is the only thing I had, I mean, like I said, you can throw a SM7B on here. You don't even have to tighten it, and it still holds the SM7B no problem. I mean, it's freaking nice. Normally, I wouldn't say, hey, you should go out and buy this item, but if you're in need of a boom arm and you only want to spend around 20 or 30 bucks, you should buy this kit. You should buy this kit. You may not need this big long extension, but if you do, you have it. You can use it with or without the extensions. I might go out and buy a couple more of these for myself. I like it so much. These days, when you're looking at cheap items that you can buy for 20 or 30 bucks, usually you're getting cheap items. This does not feel like a cheap item whatsoever. And no, they didn't pay me. They just sent the item and said, hey, please review it. So they're getting their review. But this is my honest opinion, guys. This thing is amazing. This thing is top notch. You're not going to get a better cheap boom arm than this. I mean, if you can find one that's better than this, let me know about it, because I want to review that as well. Because honestly, I've had several of these little boom arms that are similar to this, but there's just something about the way this one moves. So this one and the toner have been my favorite so far. The toner boom arm was pretty nice. But this Innogear, man, I'm in love with this thing. I really am. I might even marry it, to tell you the truth. Like I said, if you happen to know of a really good boom arm that you can buy in the $20 to $30 price range that you think is just as good or possibly better than this, please let me know. I'm going to research it. I'm going to look at it. And if I feel that you might be right, I'm going to go ahead and buy that and review it, because this thing is crazy. I want to find a competitor to this. I don't know if there is a competitor to this. I mean, this thing is that freaking good. I mean, this is probably like the best review I've ever given anything, and it's just a cheap boom arm. It's crazy. This thing is only $20, guys. It's only 20 bucks right now. I think it might go up to around 30 bucks when it's not on sale, but if this was a $40 or a $50 boom arm kit, I would still give it a good review. I mean, I probably wouldn't rave about it if it were 40 or 50 bucks, but I would still be able to say, hey, this is a nice boom arm for the money. I mean, there's probably other things I would buy if it were in the $40 to $50 price range, but I still wouldn't knock it if it were 40 to 50 bucks. But for something in the $20 to $30 price range, this is the one to get, in my opinion. I'm glad they sent me this. They asked me if I wanted to review this or another boom arm, and I said, send me either one or both. I'll review any of them, and I'm actually glad this is the one they sent. The other one was a low profile boom arm. Like, when I received it, I was like, oh man, I kind of wish they would have sent the low profile one, but now I'm like, no, I'm glad they sent this, because I get to keep this thing, and it's really going to be something I'm going to use from time to time. I mean, I like it. I really, 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 really like it. Again, this is a 100% honest review. If you do buy something off the affiliate link, I'm probably going to get like 50 cents. So it's not like I'm trying to push this thing to make you buy it. I don't care if you buy it, right? But it's a damn good item. It really is. I mean, it really, really is. Normally, you don't find something this good for that price, is why I'm raving about it. For the value for the money, this cannot be beat as far as I can tell you. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you drop down the video description, you'll see my Discord server, my YouTube channels, my affiliate links, ways to help support the channel, all kinds of junk. So check that out. Thanks for watching. Lightning out. See ya. Like, even though you can't see my head, like I said, you can use this thing when you're standing up. I mean, it can go way up there. Love this thing.